Good morning. Ito ang umagahan natin ngayon. Ay, tanghalian na pala.
Brunch.
Lunch na. Ayan, suka. At eto. Ito ang the best nito. Ayan. Sasasawan natin ito. Ayan. Dito sa suka.
Nice. Kuya, please.
Puset. Garlic rice. Egg. Crumble. Ayan. Oh, ito ang the best.
Baby, come now.
Sasaw ko dito. Hangkin.
Did you wash your hands?
Crunchy.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands, please.
Rap.
Wash your.
Go. Eat.
Nam nam nam.
Yummy.
Wash it properly.